my friends, how are you doing today? And welcome to YouTube channel. This is Susan Beautiful Souls, and today I bring you a brand new video titled how to start up a side income business without quitting your job. Yes, how to start a side income business without quitting your job. Yes, we have the dreams of expanding, becoming millionaires, build a house, get married, leave the day job, live on your freedom, on your own time without having a boss or living under instructions of being monitored of your daily activities. Well, here I will explain to you how you can start a side income business without necessarily leaving your job, because we still need that job. We need to depend on that job. We need that job as our capital for starting a side income, and at least until we grow, until our business expands, until our business gains ground, then you can quit the job. But for now, I will give you 7 factors that you can understand, you can learn, and the factors that you need to consider when you are starting up a side income business without quitting your job. I mean, who does not like side income? As in, you are busy working and you have something coming in your account on the side. I mean, it's a good idea, don't you see? It's a good idea, but it should not bring a competition or a distress between your day job and your side income. First of all, take note of the company rules, procedures, and understand if you can start up a business and it should not affect your day job. As we go on, I would like you to like this video, subscribe, and of course leave your comments below. Tell me what you liked about it, and I will be leaving you with a link on this video below, on the description, where you can go and learn how to start a new business. It's free of charge. It's a short course. You can learn how to start a side income business and of course earn extra money. But let's talk about how to start a side income business without quitting your job. First one, identify the problem or create the product that solves the problem. What do I mean by identify the problem? A problem can be the dreams, the things that you want to achieve in life, but you are not able to get them because of the little salary you're earning or the constraints of time, location, and the limitation of resources that you have. Say, for example, to quit the employment world and become a business person. How do you solve such a problem? Starting up a business is not a run in the park. This is why figuring out what problem you are out to solve helps you to strategize and to choose rightly how to start a business basing on the problem that you have identified. This will help you also in choosing the right products to sell or the right kind of business to start in, given that your decisions of starting the business are based on the problem that you have identified. It may be something that is common with the people around you or the society or the environment that you are living in. So such a situation will help you and will guide you on what kind of business to start. Factor number 2 to consider is you must conduct the keyword research. By keyword research, I mean you have to research on what kind of business. Is it marketable? Is it researched by many people? When you go to Google and you type a word, you will see that not only you is searching for this keyword, but there are many people who are looking for such a product or for such a solution. So if your product or your idea is being searched by many people, then it means it's a good sign to show you that actually your product will sell, because many people are looking for it, many people are talking about it, and it's being searched on Google. So taking your time to go through research process will help you uncover whether or not there is a healthy demand around your business idea. So when conducting market research around your small business idea, there are several different methods you can use. You can use the Google Keyword Planner, which helps you to visualize how many people are searching for your business. Also, keyword research will tell you what consumers are searching and talking about all over the world. So if thousands of searches are being done for your keywords closely related to your product, you may want to take the next step and start your business. Factor number 3 for you to consider when starting your side income business without quitting your job is find the products that you and other people are passionate about. When I talk about passion, passion is something that will make you wake up every day looking towards achieving that dream. So when you are passionate about something, it makes you have energy, have vigor, have the power to do it because you love to do it, you are passionate about it, you look forward to achieving that goal. So when you're thinking of starting a side income business, think of something that you are passionate about, that interests you, that makes you tick. Yes, it might be a hobby that you love so much. It might be out of the experience that you have gained through an industry or through daily life. So such things you already have the experience, you already have the motivation. So it will boost up your energy, it will boost up your ability to succeed in such a business. Outline your goals. There is nothing that can succeed in this life if you do not have goals and responsibilities attached to it. Outlining your goals while making your plans for your business is important so that it will help you to evaluate your long-term goals or your short-term goals. Starting your business, for example, ask yourself, what kind of business do you want to start? Is it a short time business? Is it a long time business that will eventually help you quit the day job and become your own boss? Or is it a side income business that you want just to fulfill one goal? What is the sole reason that you are venturing into starting your own business? So, big dreams are the best ways to start business. When you have a big dream, then it means you will start a side income business with a long-term vision and with a big dream to achieve a bigger purpose in life, and so making you to outline your goals basing on your long-time dreams or your long-time goals. It's also important to attach timelines on your goals. By timelines, I mean you need to determine what time you should achieve a certain result or a certain activity in your business. By this, it will help you to work harder and work with focus into achieving that goal at that set time. Then, of course, save for your business. Save for your business. There is no business that you can do at least without some capital that you invest into that business. Okay, there can be some businesses that you can start without any money, but ideally, most of every business, be it small, home-based businesses or online businesses, you need some small amount or certain amount of capital to start that business. So we need to save up for our business. So this is where our day job becomes paramount. Our day job will help us to save for our business. It might be you want to take a loan from the bank so you can start your business. Maybe, for example, you want to start an online business, so you need to buy a website, you want to buy a domain or personalized website. Maybe when you start your business, you want to advertise your business so you become known, people will come to know you and people will contact you. Maybe you want to create a design, a brand, so all this needs capital to start it. Maybe you want to enroll for a short-term course that will give you more skills, more expertise on the kind of field that you want to go in. All this means that you need to have a small income for starting your business. Number 6 is use the power of social media. Use the power of social media to sell yourself. Use your connections, your friends and family, those people that you're connected with on Facebook, on Instagram, in all social medias. These are our primary customers. So when we are starting our side income business for ourselves without quitting our jobs, we can always introduce our business intentions to our friends, people near us, our Facebook friends. So they are the ones who will come in to support our business. So they are able to share our idea out there with other friends. So by doing that, you become known. Your business gets to gain attention, starts to gain views, and by that people become aware of your business. Using social media helps you to understand what people are talking about, what is trending in the market, what kind of customers that you are attracting into your business, and how to go about your business. It also helps you to see your competitors in the certain field that you are basing your business in. So with social media, it will help you to retarget and to refocus on your business, thereby creating an opportunity for you to expand and to excel in your business. Then the last one is be patient. Be patient. Patience is everything when starting a new venture in life. Patience is the best and the basic skill that you need to have when you're starting an online business. You do not expect to start your business today and get millions floating into your business tomorrow. Ideally, it takes one step at a time. So you need to hold on and be patient and keep growing, keep advertising, keep marketing, keep creating good content, keep improving on your products or on your services, and keep talking about your business. By doing so, you become known, and by you getting known, people will start to like and to come into purchasing in your business. And of course, if your business does not turn over, then you can always remain with your day job. Also, If you feel like you want to set up something on the side but you have no idea of how to start up a side business, let it be online business, offline business, you have no idea what you need to do, how to go about it, I am offering you an opportunity for a free course, a free online course where you can enroll and learn about how to start up a small business, a side income business, any activity, be it networking, marketing, be it online business, be it starting a merchandise shop, commodity shop in your village. Let it be any kind, selling your hobby, selling your interest, selling something. I am giving you an offer. Please simply go down in this description of this video and click a link. I am putting a link to this video where you can go and learn how to start up a business, gain knowledge, gain skills of how to start up a business. It's free of charge, it's not chargeable at all. If you have the same mind like me and you want to start up something on the side while doing your day job without quitting your job, and I would not recommend that you quit your job when you're just starting up a business. Always keep your job as a safety measure because you do not know how your business will turn out. At least stay with your job, be dedicated to your job, work and learn to manage these two businesses as you grow in your business. After you see your business has superb, your business has come of age, you are able to earn millions and see you can sustain yourself with your side business, then you can come out and make it full-time business. Thank you so much for watching, and if you have liked this video, you have gotten ideas in this video, please give it a like, give it a thumbs up, and also subscribe because I'll be bringing you more videos, more inspirational videos because I want you to be a better person. Yes. Thank you for watching, and how to start a side income business without quitting your day job.